It's our second day here sa UK, dito sa London, and we're so happy that we are here celebrating the Barrio Festa with you guys. And we are so lucky to be part of this
is this tremendous?
Event. Yeah, ano?
The alert, I can repeat it again. It's tremendous.
Okay, yes, okay. We'll talk to them right now.
Okay.
Because we have guests here who are originally from UK. We are a lot of Filipinos are here, but most of the
I'm sorry to all the English people here.
Yes.
I cannot promise that I can speak English the whole show.
Yes, why?
Because my English is only for 2 minutes.
Okay.
After that, I will die.
Okay.
And my nose is blood. Okay. If you want us to speak English, it costs you a lot.
What? So you can translate everything.
Yes,
but we will pay you.
Yeah.
Exactly. Are you sure about that?
Yes, I'm sure. Because I'm a graduate. That's why. That's the right pronunciation. It's graduate.
Huwag mo kuloko yung tekla.
No, pangit pag
Graduate din ako pero di ako nag-graduate.
That's the right pronunciation.
It's not the right pronunciation.
That's the right, moron.
Okay. Don't you ever try to talk to me that way, you bitch?
Yeah. Wala masabi.
Hindi na ako mag-isip, di ba? You dimwit. You.
That is the right proper pronunciation. It's graduate. You should pronounce it.
Ano?
Graduate.
Graduate.
Oh, di ba? Maganda pa kaya. Hey, are you a graduate? Can I see your certificate? Oh, I see your certificate?
Oh.
And you're a graduate?
Oh.
Okay, congratulate. Day, open na gate. Huwag na, student. Bumili ka ng Colgate.
Hindi, pag lalabas mo yung dila mo, yung TH4, dapat yun, parang thank you, parang thank you.
Thank you.
Pag may TH, dapat yun.
Thank you.
Yeah, parang thank you.
Nakita mo ba si Cal?
Yeah. Si Kenneth.
Bakit dahil may assignment kami sa math?